Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Tom Ford model TF5666-B in color code 002. It's a matte black, shiny yellow gold color frame. On the temples here we have a gold color. The temple tip we have a silver Mike Tom Ford logo. This is the inside of the frame. This frame is made in Italy. This is the outside of the temple with the Tom Ford logo and temple tip in silver. The lenses are a blue block lenses. They block the blue light. And at the top left, we have a Tom Ford logo on the lens. They are erexable, and the style of the frame is full rim pilot. Up here, we have a Tom Ford gift box, a case to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, an authenticity card, and the manufacturer booklet.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.